Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's chelleyvelle. So today I am going to go ahead and showcase the full tutorial on one of my favorite brands from Uncle Funky's daughter. You already know it, the Curly Magic. So here I went ahead and sectioned my hair and basically parted it and separated with duck clips. And I am just going ahead and starting from the front, starting all the way from the left side to the right. Now I'm applying just a quarter size, no more than that, honestly, guys, because a little goes a long way. I went ahead and previously washed my hair. I already detangled it in the shower. So this is on, I would say, mildly damped hair. However, I am, using a spray bottle to kind of mist it a little bit. And of course, I'm using my Denman brush. But I always start off just kind of putting the product, using my fingertips, and then reaching for my Denman brush. So basically, this Curly Magic just has a really smooth slip. And I think that's what I love about it, because I live in a hot and humid climate down here in Florida. So you would expect that the moment I go out, as my scalp and my hair is starting to dry, that I would, experience some major shrinkage. I almost expect it. But believe it or not, the product has a firm hold, but it still allows for my curl definition to still hang. And you can still feel my hair is soft. It doesn't feel crunchy. So I love that the shape of my afro pretty much stays in the same way. And there you have it, the finished look. I am off and ready. My hair feels good, and I really love how my curls pop. So be sure to go to your nearest store and grab you some Curly Magic, and drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Bye, guys.